Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the BABELIO Foldable Baby Playpen with Matt, a Parents' Picks Awards winner that promises to make playtime both safe and enjoyable for your little ones. This 46 inches by 46 inches portable playard is perfect for families on the go, featuring a hassle-free setup in just 2 simple steps and comes with a convenient storage bag for easy transport. The detachable, breathable play mat offers a cushioned surface ideal for crawling, sitting, and exploring, ensuring a comfortable and secure play area for active toddlers. Built to last, this ASTM-certified playpen is constructed from durable steel and Oxford cloth, providing stability even when your baby leans against it. With its 360 degrees full vision design, the playpen's soft, breathable mesh sides allow you to keep an eye on your child while keeping your hands free, and the zipper door lets you interact with your baby anytime. The just right size of the playard offers a spacious yet manageable play zone, and the removable fabric makes cleaning a breeze. Whether used indoors or outdoors, the BABELIO playpen is designed to withstand the energetic play of children, making it a must-have for any parent. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.